Hi, welcome to my channel! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! My name is Rayna and I'm a cosplayer. If someone told me a year ago that I would be cosplaying Genshin Impact, I wouldn't believe them. But here we are! So I ordered the cosplay costume for the Witch Ningguang from UWOWO cosplay store.
If you think that it's Christmas, it's too late for the Halloween cosplay costumes,
Look.
It's never too late for a Halloween cosplay.
Yeah. Well, this package is so dirty, I don't want to even touch it. So I'll try to get rid of it as quick as possible. The costume, it's right here in this package. Here is the dress and I ordered the size M. We'll see how it looks on me. And that's the hat. Look, oh, here is some card. Well, thank you, UWOWO. The hat. Oh, look, there is this pumpkin. It's soft. I thought that it would be 3D printed, but it looks like it's something like silicone. I don't know, we'll see when I open it. Okay. Oh. It's a gift. Oh, look. I've ordered a lot of cosplay costumes and it's the first time when I'm receiving such a huge gift with the costume. Wow! It's so vibrant. I think this costume deserves 5 stars just for this gift. I'll open it first. Oh my god. Oh, it's so sweet. It's so nice of them. And usually when a store puts a gift in your package, it's something really small, like a pair of lashes, for example. But look, they put a stuffed toy as a gift. Wait. Did they know about my toy collection? Do they watch my videos? Okay, you go right here for now. Sorry, I hit her in the eye. I think he's gonna kill me for this. The wig. Yay. And I can get rid of this dirty package finally.
I put it on plastic bag because I didn't want it to touch my clothes.
Wig cap. Okay. This is a separate piece, this bow. Okay. Well, it's quite thick. It's not actually styled. It's a two-colored wig, so there are blonde wefts on top, and the bottom rows are the grey wefts. And here are some short strands and the bangs.
Let's unwrap it.
Oh, I'm afraid to mess it up. It has this hair clip right here to clip it to the wig. Yay, I messed it up.
Just a bit. I'll fix it.
Now, the hat. Okay. I've always wanted to have a witch hat.
I don't know why I haven't bought it earlier, any witch hat, but now finally I have it. My dream came true. Oh.
Okay, here is a bow. Oh, look, it's a little cute skull. And here are also these bat wings, 2 pairs of wings. This pumpkin actually has a... Oh, I'm afraid to rip it off. It has eyes and mouth, but it's on the back side. These crowns are a bit bent, but I think I'll fix it. Well, I see a couple of threads right here around these crowns. Here is 2 threads. And here is 1 more, but I can cut them. Oh, it can be shaped. Look. So there is a wire inside. So I can shape it like this, or I can lift it so it would stay up like this. I think I'll bend it a bit. Yeah. Here is the inside. The lace looks very nice.
I have to try it on. Yay! My dream came true. I've always dreamed about a witch hat, and now I have it. It's my Christmas present.
Well, because it was folded in the package, I think this edge is falling down. But I think I can fix it. Maybe I can iron it. I don't know what's inside, but it's quite stiff and thick. And it's also much smaller on the inside, so it doesn't fall on your face, which is nice. Time for the costume, finally. Yeah. Okay, I see the dress. I'll try taking out some accessories first. Oh, I see the bow. Yeah, it's a bow. Oh. Oh. Wow. So here is the bow, and it has this little dragon with dragon wings. This bow is actually huge, look. And here are also two strings with the bat wings. They're pretty long. And here is also a hair clip. Ah, see? Funny. Okay, next I see a small plastic bag. Let's look what's inside. Oh, here are lots of tiny bows. There are 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. And also this strip. I guess it's for the bows.
But I think that this strip is too narrow for these bows.
I need to check the pictures first before I assume anything. Silicone transparent straps for the bra. Okay, next.
Okay, next is gloves. Yeah.
The gloves. Finally! Now I can cover my nail that broke off. I don't know if they would fit me considering my nails. Oh, they do fit me. Look. Pretty comfy. I'm going to take it off for now. And also these nails.
I love nails.
Let's see. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12. And I'll have to paint them in black by myself. Okay, next. Okay, I suppose these are, yeah, the leg decorations. Oh, they're pretty nice. And here is the elastic inside. Here are hooks and loops. Yeah. So I can completely unfasten them and put on this elastic and then fasten them on my leg. And they're quite thick as well. Obviously not as thick as the hat, but still very thick. And kind of stiff. I think I can move these buckles. Yeah, I can. The corset! Oh, I get it. I think this strip is supposed to be for the corset. And here are the snaps. It's fine. Oh, I think we finally got to the dress. Let's unpack it. Oh, here is something else. Okay. Oh, it's pretty thin actually. I thought it would be thicker. It's just one layer of fabric and the fabric is very thin, so we'll see how it looks. here are 2 layers of fabric, but still the top part is quite thin. The waist part is quite thick, actually. I see the zipper, and here are a couple of elastics on the back. It's very stretchy. So I guess that's why the range was so big for each size in the size chart. Let's unzip it. Here are hooks and loops. 3 rose buttons.
This one's 2 of them? What?
I don't remember what's that. Okay, I see, they're for the arms. They're supposed to be like this, above the gloves. And apparently I laced it up wrong. And this one is for the tiny bows, actually. One done. Next is the orange.
6.5 hours later.
I made it. Yeah. Oh, I had to lace it up differently. So finally, I've put on my costume. For the most part, I didn't expect it to be so difficult. I really struggled with the corset because I couldn't snap it on my back, so I had to snap it in front and then turn it. And also the costume didn't include the stockings, so I'm wearing those ones that I bought for Yor. And I'm not wearing the nails right now, obviously, because I have to paint them first and glue them to these gloves.
No nails for me today.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
I hate hooks and loops.
They always get stuck to something. I can't fasten it. I'll just fasten it like this. It's the right one. Okay, yeah. Why did you try to fasten it on my arm? I don't know if this dress is too long for me, but the end of the dress, this one, this, the end.
I've stepped on it so many times while I was putting on all of this stuff, so...
I lost count. It would be such a failure if I ripped it the first time I'm wearing it. Yeah, the hat. Now, despite the fact that they sent me this cute guy, I have to be honest. Oh, okay, I've got to say that this costume is quite uncomfortable. I've had a lot of costumes and they're all uncomfortable. If you're a cosplayer, you get what I mean. So I'm kind of used to wear uncomfortable things for cosplay, but still, this costume is hard to handle for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's too long and I was constantly stepping on this end of the dress, but the length itself is not the problem. The problem is that this dress is very, very thin. So each time I stepped on this dress, I thought that I would rip it. So that's why I have to be very careful when I'm walking around and I have to hold this dress. And I think I've stepped on the bow a couple of times, but since it's thick, unlike the dress, I suppose I won't do anything bad to it accidentally. And even when I'm simply touching this dress, I think that I can accidentally rip it. It's that thin. The leg decoration is quite uncomfortable to wear as well, because it's very voluminous, but I think that I just have to get used to it. So I think it's fine. And the dress is also quite short right here. So I think that one move and you see my panties, which is not appreciated. The hat is great, I've said that, but it was very comfortable when I was not wearing the wig, and now when I'm putting it on over the wig, it's too small, I think, so it doesn't sit on my head properly, because the wig adds a lot of volume to my head. And I don't know how the bow is doing right now. It's pretty low, so I think it won't get messed up because of the hat. I hope at least. When it comes to the size, it fits me perfectly, which is nice, and I think that it indeed has this wide range of measurements because of the elastic, and the corset also has the elastic, and the hips and the bust don't really matter for this design, so I think you can't really order the wrong size. And it's great, because usually the size is a huge problem for the costume that you buy. Overall, I would say that I don't like my makeup. Overall, I would say that I definitely would not wear this costume for a convention. So now I'm feeling comfortable because I am at home, but if I were at a convention, I would go home. So I think it's a costume specifically for the photo shoots, but not for conventions. Mostly because the dress is very thin, I've said it like 5 times by this point, and also because it's very short, so literally one move and everyone sees your panties. Usually when you have to wear a very short skirt for a convention, you put on the underpants. But in this case, I don't think that it will work, because I think that they would be showing, so there are really no options, in my opinion. Few words about the wig. It's very long and very soft and very thick, but it looks like it's too small for me, but my head is not that big actually. It's nice that it has these strands to cover your whiskers, but still, my whiskers are showing pretty well, which should not be happening. It also tries to slip off my head, because I didn't fix it with bobby pins. Well, the head hides it obviously, but still, I would not give this wig 5 stars. Now to the rating. I'm sorry, sweetie. Okay, I'll give this costume a rating. It's 9 out of 10. Because of this little guy. Part of me feels like it's too much because of all of the problems with the dress, but in reality the only problem with the dress is that it's thin, and all the rest of the problems come out of this one. So I think it would be unfair to take more points of this dress because of how thin that is. Besides, there are really a lot of cosplays that you can't wear at a convention, so I don't think that it's a huge problem, but you have to be aware of it. I personally didn't plan to wear it for a convention, so I don't mind. To be honest, I'm not sure that I will ever participate in conventions again. Because of my YouTube channel, it takes so much time and effort. But still, I like this costume. I will be definitely filming more Ningguang videos. I was thinking about the makeup video, like makeup tutorial maybe. Not this makeup, this is ugly. Don't look at me. Don't look. Then I was thinking about the cosplay transformation video, like I do on my channel. The playlist is right here, you can check it out. And also leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, it will really help me out. Also subscribe to this channel if you like cosplay.
If you like makeup, if you like cosplay makeup, if you like cosplay transformations, if you like cosplay reviews, subscribe to my channel.
And I hope to see you all in my next video. Have a nice day, and also Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!